This is Gorilla Tag, but random people choose the sound effects for the game. Let's go. Light blue. Can you give me a sound effect for walking in Gorilla Tag? But can you give me a sound effect for tagging someone in Gorilla Tag? Can you give me a sound effect for jumping in Gorilla Tag? Okay, now that we got our sound effects, let's go into a public match and use them. 30 likes and I'll do a part 2. Sub, we're so close to 9K.